Hello students, welcome in a Sahaj Shikshan YouTube channel. Today I am going to take one exercise. Okay, the class 6 class subject is science, chapter number 11 work and energy. So let's start the exercise. Question number first is fill in each blanks with the appropriate term from the brackets. Okay, here they give brackets and terms from brackets we have to fill. In that question a bucket full of water is to be drawn from a well. Here is a space. Will be done when a space is applied to do this because there will be a space of water. Means here they give a 3 space. We have to fill these blanks with the appropriate terms from given these brackets. Okay. What given in the brackets? Displacement, work and force. So what the answer is? Work, force and displacement. Means a bucket full of water is to be drawn from a well. Work will be done when a force is applied to do this because there will be a displacement of water. Okay. Then question B. If a ball is dropped on a sloping roof of a house, it acquires, here is a space, and falls on the ground. That is transformation from space energy into the again space energy takes place. In bracket kinetic, potential, motion. Okay. So the answer is if the ball is dropped on the sloping roof of a house, it acquires motion and falls on the ground. That is transformation of kinetic energy into the potential energy. Okay. This is the answer. Next question C. You might have seen some beautiful fireworks during Diwali. It is an example of transformation of, they give a space, energy into a space energy. Means, and in bracket light, atom, chemical, solar. So the answer is chemical and light. Means you might have seen some beautiful fireworks during Diwali. It is an example of transformation of chemical energy into light energy. Then question D. The solar cooker is an application of the space energy of the sun, while solar cells, solar lamps are application of the, here they give space energy of the sun. In bracket light, chemical and heat. Okay. Then the answer is the solar cooker is an application of heat energy of the sun, while solar cells, solar lamps are the application of light energy of the sun. Then question E. One laborer carried 4 pans of road metal through a distance of 100 meters. If he carries 2 pans of road metal through a 200 meter distance, here they give space, work will be done. Equal, more or less. Then answer is equal. Means here come equal. Question F. The capacity that an object has for doing work is called, in their bracket they give energy, displacement, force. The answer is energy. Means the capacity that an object has for doing work is called as energy. Okay, now the second question, match the pairs. Here they give group A, here is a group B. So first we see what contains in a group A, then we can see contains in a group B. First one is a rolling object, second is a food, third one is a stretched bow, fourth one is a sunlight and fifth one is a uranium. Then here group B, heat energy, atomic energy, kinetic energy, potential energy and chemical energy. So they have to do us to match the pairs. The answer is here is a group A, here is a group B. Okay, the first one is a rolling object, then the answer is kinetic energy. Second, food in have a chemical energy. Second one is a stretched bow, is have a potential energy, sunlight has a heat energy, and uranium has a atomic energy. So this one is the answer. Now the third question, can you tell in that question A, when can we say that displacement has taken place? So the answer is when the position of object changes, we say that the object is displaced. Means when the object position is changed, we say that the object is displaced. Okay. Then question B, what should be taken into account for measuring work? So they ask, while measuring work, which content should be taken into the account. So the content for measuring work, both force and displacement, must be taken into the account. Then question C, what are the various forms of energy? So the answer, various forms of energies are mechanical energy, chemical energy, electrical energy, heat energy, light energy and sound energy. So this is a various forms of energy. Then question D, describe the natural chain of transformation of energy. Answer is, in the course of water cycle, water evaporates due to the heat of sun. Okay. Then next point, this water vapor forms clouds that give rain. Water rain flows into river and it's stored in a reverses or dam. This stores water at the height has potential energy, means this stored water have high potential energy. As the water falls down, this is a transformed into kinetic energy. When the water fall on the turbine, is kinetic energy is transformed to the turbine. Then last point is to turbine rotates produce a electric energy, means transformation of energy here done. So from kinetic energy to electric energy. Okay. See, here is first is a potential energy, then it is transformed into kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is transformed into the electric energy. So there is a done transformation of energy. Then question E, why should we save energy? See student, question E asks is why should we save energy? The answer is due to increasing population and increasing use of energy resources, there is a danger that limited reserves of coal, petrol, etc. we get exhausted. Hence, we should have energy for future generation. So, this is the right answer for this question. Then, question number F. What is a green energy? The answer is the energy resources which do not produce smoke and carbon gases such as the carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide are called green energy resources. Okay, which the energy resources which do not produce smoke and carbon gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, this energy is called as the green energy resources. Energy from them is called as the green energy. Then question G, what are the non-conventional energy resources? Answer is the resources that have not been used traditionally. Second one is are exhaustible and continuous, that can be used in a various forms again and again are called as a non-conventional energy resources. Okay, which the energy sources which can be in a forms in a again and again reusable. Example is solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy and hydel power. Okay. So this is the resources of non-conventional energy. Then question H, which forms of energy from the sun is used to solar energy devices? Answer is heat energy from the sun is used in a solar cookers, solar water heater and solar dryers. Then light energy from the sun is used in a solar cells and solar panels. Third one is the solar electrical plants have the capacity to produce electricity on large scale. So this third point given in this answer. Question I, why should we maximize the use of non-conventional energy sources? The answer is due to increase in a population, there is an increasing use of conventional sources like a petrol, coal, etc. Their reserves are limited and they may be get exhausted. So hence it will be better to use non-conventional resources of energy to save conventional resource for the future. Okay, so this is the right answer for this question. Then next question number 4. Who is the odd one out? First, diesel, crude oil, natural gas and wind. The answer is wind. Then second, the running car, hauling a log, a book kept on a table, picking up the school bag. The answer is a book kept on table. Then third question is sunlight, wind, waves and petrol. Answer is petrol. Fourth is a leaving a fan on in the vacant room, leaving the TV on while working, using AC during winter, putting off the lights when going out. Then answer is putting off the light when going out. Question number 5th. Find out the types of energy from the following puzzle. So here they give a puzzle and we have to find out the types of energy. So in this puzzle have a types of energy. Let's see and find out the types of energy from this puzzle. First one is the potential energy, then solar energy, kinetic energy, heat energy, sound energy, then here is a wind energy, then here is a light energy. Okay, so here I give an answer: potential, kinetic energy, solar energy, wind energy, sound, light and heat energy. So I found in this puzzle the types of energy. So student, here this video is end. If you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe the channel Sahaj Shikshan and comment to video. Thank you.